Hey everyone, I am here giving you directions for your math manipulatives. So here we are in Google Classroom. We're going to head over to the classwork tab and then look at your topics over here. You have a topic for math. We can either scroll up and down and look for math, or if you just click on the math topic, it'll take us to exactly where we want to be. All right here we have a virtual classroom for math. And here I just want you to play around today. I want you to check out the different things that are on the shelf and have some fun learning them. All right, so some of them are songs. This shelf is full of songs. This shelf has a song right here. Here are some fun ways to count. I've got a song right here. And so what I'm going to do is just take you through a couple of them and I want you to see. I'm going to click right here on the math manipulatives. And now we get to count. All right, so I'm going to try and move my picture over a little bit so you can see. Let's say that I ask you to count to 5. Right, so I want you to choose your favorite color. Let's say your favorite color is blue. You could choose light blue or dark blue. We're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3. Are you counting with me? 4. And 5. All right, let's say we accidentally grab 6. Uh-oh, we count them and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Miss Palmer said 5. I have one too many. So you're going to click right here on the eraser and just click on that one that you made the mistake with. All right, so now we're going to click away. We have our arrow again. We want to make sure that it doesn't have the eraser on it still. So let's say Miss Palmer tells you to add 5 more. I'm going to choose yellow. 1. Oh, look at that. They connected. 2. 3. Whoops. Looks like maybe we can pull them apart. I can't figure out how to pull it apart. No. So, what we're going to do now is you see this little arrow? It's like a rewind arrow. Let's see what happens if I... That cleared it twice. All right, well now we know better for next time to just use the eraser instead when we make a mistake. Looks like the arrow takes away everything. Okay, let's visit another site. There was a really fun one I wanted you to see. Oh, tens frames. We use tens frames all the time. This is a great one to count. Okay, so let's say I add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then Miss Palmer tells you to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I want you to see how many you have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 red and 5 yellow gives us 10 dots in all. If you wanted to use some color counters, you would just click right there. We've got some shape counters. So just have some fun playing with these different ones. Let's try one more together. I think I want to climb the mountain to 100. We're going to skip count by tens to this song. So this one had a song linked to it. Kids Music Channel. All right, you guys ready to move?
I'm gonna climb that mountain to the top. Fill my brain and body.
I hope you guys like to dance. I love dancing and learning.
Be my friends and count to 100 by 10.
Ooh, we're gonna count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, I'm pausing it there because you saw all the fun that we were going to have on that song. So today, just take your time playing in here. You have no assignments. I just want you to see what these math manipulatives do. So click on the different links and just have fun playing around.